What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to buy XRP or Ripple on Coinbase wallet. So, you might be wondering how do you exactly buy it? Well, first things first, let's go open up the Coinbase wallet. And from here, we want to go and choose the buy button. Now, in here, we want to go and change a few things. First is we want to change our network. Let's go and choose the network here, or click on your network. And you want to go ahead and search for BNB or Binance Smart Chain. Now, once you've chosen that, what we need to do is we need to change the actual crypto that we want to buy. So let's just wait for this one. So let's go and choose the supported payment method here, depending on your region. So in my case, I'm going to choose for this one. And in here, let's go and choose our crypto. Now let's go and choose or click on the search option and just type in XRP. And from here, let's go and choose XRP. Now, once in here, what we need to do next is we just need to fill out some details. That includes the amount that you want to buy. And in this case, just click on continue to payment and provide your payment details. Now, once you've done that, approve the transaction and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.